In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your Google password on mobile. This walkthrough will help you quickly view the password you've saved for Google right from your phone using your device's built-in settings and Google's password manager. Start by opening the Settings app on your mobile device. We'll be working entirely within Settings, so you don't need to open the Google app or a browser. Once you're in, look for the section labeled Accounts and Backup. This is where your device keeps all account-related options. Go ahead and tap Accounts and Backup, then choose Manage Accounts. This page shows every account currently signed in on your device. Next, tap the Google account you want to check. If you have more than one account on your phone, take a moment to make sure you select the one associated with the password you need. After selecting it, you'll see an option called Google Account. Tap that to open your full account settings. This takes you to the central hub for your Google account, where you can manage personal info, data, and security. Now head to the security section. On some devices, it might appear as security and sign in, but it's the same place we need. This section is all about protecting your account, and it's where Google provides tools for sign in and saved passwords. Scroll down until you find Password Manager, then tap it. Password Manager is Google's secure vault where your saved usernames and passwords are stored, synced across your devices when you're signed in. Inside Password Manager, look for google.com in the list of saved sign-ins. Entries are organized by website or app, and google.com is the one that holds your Google account credentials. When you tap it, your device will prompt you to confirm your identity for security reasons. Enter your PIN, pattern, fingerprint, or use Face Unlock, whichever you've set up. This step ensures only you can view the sensitive information stored here. After unlocking, you'll see the save details for your Google sign-in. To reveal the password, tap the eye icon next to the password field. The characters will appear so you can read them clearly. If you're in a public space, angle your screen away from others and make sure no one can see your information. When you're done, simply navigate back or lock your device to keep everything secure. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Gmail tips and tutorials.